Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to calculate sum, subtraction, multiplication and division in MS Excel. So we will start from sum. I'm just going to enter two number, like I am entering 12 and 23. So for this we need total number, right? For sum we need to apply one formula, it equals to sum and we have to select the both number together and we have to click enter. So here is the number, here is the total number. So that is the formula of sum. Similarly we are going to calculate subtraction. Okay, for subtraction I'm entering the number, like entering 22 and 15. Okay, so we just need total numbers. We have to apply a formula like equals to, and we have to select the first number 22, sorry, and we have to put the sign of subtraction, and again we have to select the second number and then we need to click enter. So we will get the final number, the total number. Okay, so similarly we are going to calculate multiplication. I'm just selecting the number 12 and 7. Okay, so we need to apply a formula like equals to, and again we have to select the first number and then we have to enter the sign of multiplication, and that is the star, and again we have to select the second number and then we will click on enter. So that is the total number. So we are going to learn divide. Okay, so I'm selecting the number 12 and 5 and we will apply the formula, and again we will select the first number and we will have to put the division sign, and again we will select the second number and then we will get the final result. So thank you.